I used to say, ¿puedo obtener eso? To mean, can I get that? Yeah, that's not how Spanish really works. Luckily, a coach helped me decode what Spanish speakers actually say instead. And guess what? Today, I'm going to help you avoid sounding like Google Translate. Yes, that kind of sucks. And we need to change that to sound more natural. Hi, everyone. I'm Allison, here with Spanish 55. I am a native English speaker, and my start with Spanish was, honestly, kind of messy. But you know what? Now I love the language, and I want you to feel confident when you are using Spanish in real life situations. This video is part 3 of our beginner friendly series called Real Life Spanish with Spanish 55. If you have questions or you want me to cover something specific, drop me a question in the comment section or give me a comment and I'll try to include it in a future video. Okay, let's get started with something that confused me a lot at the beginning. Oh boy, story time. In Spanish, there's no one word for get. You have to think in situations, not translations. For example, get the door becomes abrir la puerta. Get ready becomes prepararse. Get sick becomes enfermarse. I get it can be entenderlo or more casually agarrarlo. All depends on the region that you are in Mexico. See how different those are? You're not using a single verb over and over. You're choosing the verb that matches the meaning. Next up, our famous verb take. Okay, this doesn't always mean tomar. No. Yes, you hear tomar vacaciones, tomar el bus. But when it comes to a more natural expressions, Spanish uses other verbs. Spanish just loves to mix things up, like take a break, hacer una pausa. Take something away is llevarse algo. These expressions often use reflexive verbs like prepararse, enfermarse, or llevarse. Okay, so if reflexive verbs are still a little bit confusing, it's still a little bit hazy there for you, I highly recommend checking out the video Reflexive Pronouns and Verbs in Spanish, a complete guide that you're going to find on YouTube. It's super helpful. And if you need me to break them down a little bit more in another video, let me know in the comments below. Now, let's look at another beautiful verb. And that verb is put. We all learn poner first. And yes, it's super useful. We get around. Like poner la mesa, set the table. Ponerse triste, get sad. But put can mean so many other things like put up with becomes aguantar o soportar. Put it back becomes devolverlo. When I first heard someone say, ya lo devolví, I was like, wait, what? Isn't that return? But that's exactly it. Spanish uses more specific verbs instead of the catch-all like put. I used to second guess every sentence when verbs didn't match. But you know what? Spanish 55 helped me stop memorizing and start thinking in Spanish. So if you're interested, you can always book a free consultation with one of our amazing coaches and have a one-on-one session. No strings attached, but go check it out. Okay, let's do a quick challenge. Practice a little bit. I'll give you 3 English sentences, tres, and you're going to guess how you would say them in Spanish using what we have just covered. I got sick yesterday. Can you open the door? I need to take a break. Okay, I want you to pause the video if you want more time to think about this. No rush. Here are the answers. Me enfermé ayer. ¿Puedes abrir la puerta? Necesito hacer una pausa. Tell me, how did you do? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more practice like this, I've got you covered in future videos. Confused by verbs that don't translate, don't worry, you are not alone. I want you to watch more videos like this. And don't forget to check out our podcast, Conquering Spanish, where we cover all of this and much more. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment telling me which one of these verbs surprised you the most. Hasta pronto.